everyone, NewbSwingTrader here. I'm making this video for anyone who is considering the Robinhood app, and I'm going to share with you why I think you should. A few quick disclaimers to get out of the way. Again, this is intended for those who don't already have the Robinhood app. If you already have the app, then most likely you're not going to gain anything from watching this video, and I just don't want to waste anybody's time. Number two, I'm a new investor. I've only been trading for about 3 weeks, so I'm fairly new to investing. I think I opened up my Robinhood account on October 14th, 2018. So just letting you guys know that I'm fairly new. Number three, I want to help new investors any way I can. I've made a lot of mistakes, and I really don't want anybody to make those same mistakes that I have. So I want to share any information that I couldn't easily find online with you. And number four, I do plan to make other videos on some of those topics that I mentioned earlier that I couldn't easily find online. I did find myself having to watch, several YouTube videos in order to get one of my questions answered, and a lot of them, there's people out there that are trying to promote their program. They want you to sign up for their program so that you pay money, and they basically tell you how to invest. So I'm not being paid in any way by Robinhood. I don't have my own company. I have a 9 to 5 job, Monday through Friday, and I'm just doing this, just on the side. I just want to help people that may be new to investing. So let's get into it, guys. Number one, you need a broker to trade stocks. And what does that mean? It means that you and I can't just go up to a company with cash and say, hey, I want to buy 50 shares of your company. It doesn't work that way. You have to go through a broker, and Robinhood is a broker. There's other brokers out there that you can choose from, like TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab or E-Trade. So Robinhood is just that. It's just a broker. It enables you to buy and sell stocks, and you can buy pretty much stocks or ETFs, options, cryptocurrencies. Robinhood doesn't limit you to anything. Number two, Robinhood is built in an easy app format. It was primarily built as an app only. So when Robinhood first came out, you could only get it via the App Store. They do now have a website that you can go to, and you can check your portfolio, and you can buy and sell stocks on the website. But I've found the app to be more useful and a little easier to use for buying and selling stocks. Number three, and this one is I think really the key. This one is what makes Robinhood stand out from all the others. Commission-free trades. What does that mean? Well, that means that anytime you buy or anytime you sell a stock, they don't charge you a commission fee. All those other brokers that I mentioned earlier, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, or Fidelity, they all charge a commission fee. And let me give you an example of why this is important. Say you want to buy 50 shares of stock. They're going to charge you, let's just for this example say $5 to buy those 50 shares, okay? and then say a couple of days later the stock price goes up and you want to sell those 50 shares because the stock price went up and you want to make a profit. Well, when you sell the shares, they're going to charge you another $5. And that's just the transaction fee. It's a commission fee. So when you bought them, you paid $5, and when you sold them, you paid $5. So already you've paid $10 and you haven't made any money yet. So if you didn't profit more than $10, then guess what? You just lost money. And if you're somebody like me who's new to investing, you're most likely not going to have a lot of money to start off with. And, if you're buying and selling stocks, you're not going to be making a lot of money. So, profit. So, commission-free trades, that's the key. So you can buy as many stocks as you want in a day, and Robinhood is not going to charge you any fees. It's going to be free, okay? And then if you want to sell every single stock you bought the next day, you can do that and they won't charge you any fees. Any other brokerage firm is going to charge you a commission fee. And these fees can range anywhere from like $5 to about $10. And then number 4, this one is important too. You can get up to $500 in free stocks through Robinhood. And I know what a lot of you are thinking, that this is too good to be true, but this is true, guys. Believe me, I've done it. The way it works is if you refer a friend, if you give them your referral link, and I'll make another video on this in the future, it'll show you how to do this, but if you refer a friend and they sign up they have to sign up using your referral link, okay? This is important. If they just download the app and they sign up for Robinhood, you guys will not get the free stock, okay? They have to use your referral link, and you'll get a free stock and they'll get a free stock. And you can do this as many times as you want, as long as you stay below the $500 limit. Robinhood has established the $500 hard limit. So once you get to that limit, then you can continue referring other people, but you won't be allowed to get any more free stocks. Anybody else that you refer, if they're just downloading it for the first time, they'll still get the free stock, okay? And I've put a referral link down in the description. If you guys find this video useful, feel free to use it. Just know, I will tell you guys that if you do get a free stock, you can't sell it. You have to hold it for a minimum of 3 days. And I put this in here because I wanted to let you guys know that if you guys have a large social media following, this isn't very difficult to do, guys. You can share your referral link on social media, and you can get it's a lottery, so you don't know what stock you're going to get. You can get a $2 stock, or you can get Apple stock, which is somewhere in the range of $200 a share. Okay, so it definitely could take a long time to get to $500. Like you may have to refer a lot of people, or you may only have to refer a few people if you get lucky and you get the higher valued stocks. And the reason I say this is if you start off with $500 in free stocks and then you turn around and you sell them later on, you can make a profit off of those transactions, okay? So, but at the bare minimum, you can start with $500 in your account, and you don't even have to make a deposit into your Robinhood account, okay? And the reason I say this is, I think that you guys should be making investments, and you guys should be learning how to buy and sell stocks with money that isn't yours, money that you've been given through this referral system that they have. So I think it's a good way for you guys to learn. I do think that if you're just starting out, you're gonna lose money because you're gonna make mistakes. But if you're doing this with free money that you get through this referral program, then guess what? It's not, you're not gonna feel too bad if you lose $100 here and there. It wasn't your hard-earned money. You just got this money through the referral program. Yeah, you do have to go and find people to sign up for it. And also keep in mind that when you refer someone, they do have to sign up, and they do have to put their social security number, and they do have to put their I believe they do have to put their bank account information, but uh, they are not obligated in any way to make any deposits, okay? They have to enter their information, but they are not obligated to make a deposit. You can simply skip that step during the sign up process. So I just wanted to let you guys know. So, Robinhood does a really good job of being super user friendly. Again, it's primarily built in an app format. There are no commission fees, so you can buy and sell, as much as you want without having to worry about having to pay commission fees. And again, if you can refer enough people, you can get up to $500 in your account, and you can start trading and selling with those $500. After, like, again, you have to wait the 3 days to be able to sell that stock, but that will basically be money that you will have in your Robinhood account that will allow you to buy and sell stocks, and you can actually make profit using those $500. So really, you don't even have to make a single deposit. If you can get up to $500 and you can start buying and selling stocks, then hey, you guys can be on your way to making money basically without having to make a single deposit. So, it's a very user-friendly app. I really do like it. Again, commission-free trades. I highly recommend it. Anybody out there that is, just considering it, just do it, guys. It's not that difficult. I'll be honest, I was afraid at first. I didn't know what to expect. I thought that, as soon as I jumped into trading stocks, that I was just going to lose my money, and it's really not that hard, guys. There is a lot to learn. I will say that there is a lot to learn. Again, I will be making future videos to highlight some of the stuff that I didn't know that I think will be useful for new investors. But it's not that hard. And again, if you're starting off with $500 that you didn't deposit, it's not your hard-earned money that you had to work for, then it makes things a lot easier and less stressful. Okay, so with that, guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. And if you do want to use my referral link, it's down in the description. You and I will both get a free stock, and it's a lottery, so nobody knows what stock it is. You have to choose from 3 boxes, and then it's kind of like a scratcher where you have to scratch away to reveal what stock you get. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Either leave me a comment down below, or if you want to email me directly, I also left my email address down in the description. And if you guys have any topics you'd like for me to discuss or make a video on, let me know and I'll make it happen. Uh, Thanks everyone, and as always, have fun trading stocks.